Hey guys, this is Madison Olivia and welcome back to my channel. Today, I kind of just thought I would bring you guys along while I packed. It's a Thursday night. This is after work. This is gonna be very realistic. It is, I don't know the exact time. Let me check. Watch, excuse me. This is my life. Why is my watch not working? Okay, there we go. It is 6:48 on a Thursday night. That's what I said. Yep, Thursday night. And tomorrow, Friday, I'm going to the beach for a quick little weekend trip to go to a seafood festival with my boyfriend, and my mom is also going to be there as well. So we need to pack tonight, and I just am going to show you the realistic life of packing while trying to deal with all the random things that got delivered to my house, packages, and random messes, things I need to get cleaned up, and yeah. Just a realistic pack with me on a Thursday night video, I guess. Kind of a random video, but here we are. Come back with me. I don't have my life together at all, but it's okay. We'll get there. We will get there, right? I think I'll get there. I hope I get there. Okay, and so I have my water with me for hydration. This is the book I'm reading right now. It's called Atomic Habits. It's really great. I just started it, about only like 45 pages in, but really great start. Here's my list of things I need to do today. I got home, got showered, and got in comfy clothes. That's what my little abbreviated for that. I want to put the candles on, set the mood, get the Roomba going, wipe my teeth. I already have laundry going over here. The door is a long story. Randomly fell off one day. Long story. Maybe we'll talk about that when I reapply it, and maybe I'll bring you along for that random project because I'm not even sure how to do that. Anyway, so I need to do all this, figure out rent for the apartment, to just calculate it. Takes me a minute, but I don't want to forget to do it. Reheat nachos. We made these really great nachos the other day. Just gonna make that. We don't have time to do all that. And then we need to book an anniversary location. Like we're looking at Airbnbs for. We're going to a Renaissance festival. And then I really am an optimist. I said 7 p.m. It's like, what time is it right now? Yeah, it's like 7:50, right? Yeah, no. Or 6:50. That's not happening. Probably not getting ice cream by 7. And I need to record this, and I need to pack. This is what we're working with. My room's not that messy. Do have random jacket here. And random shirt. Oh, random clean mask. Boom. Put that in there. Hairbrush. Probably should move that. Need to clean that purse. That's why it's there. Has icing on it. I don't even know. I love cake. Need to put that back in my bathroom. Need to put that in my closet. Oh, yay. Fun stuff. I got new clothes. So I got some stuff from Forever 21. I got some just tan little, or maybe like beige sweatpants. I got an oversized cropped, what is this? Corduroy jacket. It's pretty cute. I like it. Very oversized though. You have to get small sizes at Forever 21 now. It's like forever ginormous. I got a medium and I was like swimming in it. And then I got this little black cropped shirt jacket kind of thing, but thought all these were good for fall. Let me show you the rest. It sounds like, yeah, I'm sorry about the messes, guys. I'm just living. I did not get everything. Look at got my comfy clothes on. Whoop. Real talk, I am still new to recording videos, and I totally forgot to put my little stand on my camera. So if any of those clips were messed up, I'm sorry. I'm getting it together, I promise. I promise. I'm getting it together. We can do this. This little girl's been up here for a week, poor thing. I just realized she's dead, so I can't run the Roomba. Sad face. But can we talk about how disgusting that is? We clean the floors every week. 2 pets. 2 pets! That was just that one room. Okay, so I got her charging. This is all my random Halloween stuff I'm hoarding for a little girls, I'm having like all my girlfriends over for like a Halloween slumber party. I don't know if that's lame or not, but I'm excited about it. Need to hang my jacket up. Oh, this is something I'm very excited about. We got Frey fabric softener, laundry detergent, and the dryer sheets. We got it in the scent Beyond Words. Oh no, scent Beyond Words, lol. Cedar, oak moss, and amber is the scent. And yeah, this is like the green label. They have like a green, a blue, and a pink. We tried all three of them in like a sample. What's silly is I accidentally chose the one I mean, this one still smells amazing, but the one we liked the most was actually the blue one. So like, we're gonna use it for our sheets and some stuff, but like, gosh, it smells so good. So after we use this one, we're gonna probably get the blue one, but we're not mad. This one still smells amazing, but got this today in the mail, yay. But anyway, so many boxes. This is empty. This was the Forever 21 box. Then we got our air filters delivered. This is a trash can for my car. I emptied it, need to bring it back to my car. Oh, here are the rest of the clothes that I got. It's this, just a black cropped sweatshirt. Pretty much I just got a bunch of basic things, like basic fall things. I just like good old neutral colors, but this is just like a tan little cropped long sleeve. It's like kind of like a golden tan. But yeah, and there's the little guy. And there's the girl. So enthusiastic. I love it, girl. Hey, man. Oh, do you want to go outside? Also, need to fix that. Ignore that. Oh, okay, you go, girl. Oh, also, those are our new chairs. I just got those metal chairs on Facebook Marketplace. I'm thinking about like spray painting the table, which is like green right now. And, let me just go out there. You're crazy. Also, my mom got pillows. Oh, I forgot to take the stickers off, or the tags off this one, but I did on the front, my bad. Gotta do that. But yeah, I got these chairs. But yeah, the table's green, this is silver. I was thinking like spray painting it all one color, maybe like something metallic, maybe like black, gray, maybe matte, I don't know. It's kind of hard to pick, but beautiful night out tonight. It's very what's it called? Overexposed. You can't really tell how beautiful and blue the skies are, but also my cat now thinks he needs to go outside every day. That's fine. All right, just recorded that outro for Blue Apron. Thank you, baby, for your time. Thank you, audience, for your time. Also, all right, baby and me are gonna do a quick little before and after on this bedroom. Okay, so I just finished up with my rent math. Figured out rent math, and I think it's time for a break. I'm gonna go reheat some nachos and hang out with my boyfriend. So catch me back here in a minute to actually start packing now. Hopefully that laundry is done soon. So where we rent, they send the air filters for the house in the mail. I just find that so convenient. Whenever I own a house, I'll probably look into a subscription service for this, just for the convenience. I'm gonna go put these in and install them with you. And these are our leftover nachos. Actually very good. Black beans, corn, rotel, cheese, yum, 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 yum. And now it is complete with some cilantro. And yes, I did a terrible job chopping it. I was trying to be fast. Okay, so I'm finished with dinner and I just made a little list of things we'll need for packing. So now I'm gonna get to packing. And for a time reference, it is now 8:30. Yeah, it's 8:30. Hi, puppy. Why does my cat love me so much? Oh, my knees, that sound. Love that for me. He's a good guy. He loves his mom. Hey, baby. Oh, so sweet. All right, so step one. Sorry, let me turn this fan off. My goodness. Alright, so first step for packing was like underwear, bras, and socks, all that stuff. The top, zip it. And I'm gonna share this bag with Ryan so he can put whatever he wants in the top. And then in my bottom, I've pretty much just put some clothes in there. I put 2 different dresses, and then a pair of sweatpants for maybe like the drive home, a pair of shorts for maybe Saturday or Sunday, just depending on what I want to wear, a sweater, a shirt to go with the pants and the sweater, and then a nightgown, and then jacket. And that's pretty much all I packed so far. I might pack one of my new Forever 21 items after they're done being washed. I'm washing them right now. And yeah, that's all I've done so far. Now I need to do my makeup. My toiletries, I guess. Oh, also, that has my shampoo, conditioner, and my body wash in it.